Alright guys, so Kiana has been wanting some Alpharex headlights for her truck, and a couple weeks ago we were talking to our friend Danny that works with them, and he actually sent these as a surprise for her. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna surprise her with them. So hopefully I can pull it off, and yeah, let's go.
Who else knew? I'm gonna open it right now. Can you put them on right now? I'm just joking.
I love them. Alright guys, so for this particular install, it's fairly easy because all we need is this with the 10mm. If you can find yours, we found ours today. It was lurking in the woods like a Sasquatch. And then a flathead screwdriver. So let's get into it.
What? Did you drop it?
The first one, bro.
Stop.
Son of a bitch. Mechanic things. Oh. And then what is this? Oh, that's easy. Doesn't sound like it broke, but I don't think it did. It might have. It didn't. All right, so normally it would be a little bit easier, but with these fender flares, with the truck having these, we did have to loosen these first, but now we'll just get rid of these two little push pin deals, pop this right out, and we'll be good to go. Oh, there we go, perfect.
Okay.
Now we start taking the headlights out. Oops. They might just be, like have to be wiggled out. Oh, there we go. All right. So now we'll unplug these guys. I might need a towel because now I'm just greasy. So I have no traction. Do you want to grab, like with, I don't know, not with acetone on it, but dirty hands clean money, bro. I don't understand why this one's so greasy. Just mechanicking. And we'll chuck the, no, I'm just kidding. So we're just gonna take this for a little walk and just say our goodbyes to it really quick. Don't worry about where we're going. I'm not sorry. You're trash. So we threw away the headlight with the blinker in it, so I'm gonna fish it out. Dumpster diving.
What'd you find in there?
Oh,
Sweet.
All right, so I'm gonna wash the grease off my hands before I touch the new headlights, obviously. So we're gonna be using the Renegade Products Grease Released Hand Scrub. This stuff's the bomb. And really, you can even use this without water. Gets all that stubborn grease off. Good thing you can use it without water because we just ran out of water in the camper, so there's that. Very nice. Sparkly clean. So the headlights come with this wiring harness, and John has already ran it through for us. It hooks right into the battery and the fuse box, and then these are for the aftermarket DRL. So let's hook up new headlights. This little seal. And then this bulb is the only thing that we need to switch over from the stock headlights. There we go. I'm working mechanic magic here, buddy. Boom. And then now we have these stock ones to plug right back into everywhere that they went. Couple I don't know really where to go. But so far, we've been successful thus far. We just, there's a couple I'm confused by, to be honest. Because this doesn't work. And this one works. Wait, this is good. This one goes here. We're just putting the other parts. Okay. And then, but this doesn't go in here. Oh, you take this off. Oh, okay.
That is gonna go right there.
Oh, okay, perfect.
This lit up, so that's the stock strip plug. So
Oh, okay, so we're good. Okay, so this little guy that we didn't know where he belonged, we don't need him anymore, so I'm just gonna leave him there. Yeah, that goes right up in that clip. Sweet. Getting exciting. Nice. I love them. Stand by. Just have to tighten up that fender again. Put some little whoopie-doos in there.
Wait, when you turn something, it did it. The key has to be in. That is so cool.